We are months away from the release of the Galaxy S24 series, and we can't wait to see what Samsung has in store for us this time. Recently, there was a glimpse of the Galaxy S23 Ultra that seems to resemble the S24 Ultra. Given their similarities, it's possible to manipulate an image of one phone to make it look like the other. Now, real-life photos of the phone have these images confirm any doubts we may have had. A user named David Martin shared what appears to be pictures of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Popular Samsung insider Ice Universe also vouched for these photos, stating that they indeed depict the device. The live images in question closely match the leaked renders by OnLeaks, although it wouldn't be surprising if you mistook this device for either the Galaxy S23 Ultra or even the S22 Ultra. One notable change evident in these alleged images is that the display appears to be nearly flat. The glass panel on the sides has a curve, which may indicate the use of 2.5D glass. However, the level of curvature is not as exaggerated as what we've seen on devices. Additionally, we notice that the side frame of the supposed S24 Ultra has a shape. Previous iterations of the Ultra model have also featured frames. The S24 Ultra takes it a step further by emphasizing its sharp edges. This creates an impression that the back glass is embedded within a frame. The leaked live images also reveal that the S Pen noticeably extends from the phone's body. It is worth noting that this protrusion may be more pronounced in this production unit, and we can expect a more refined finish in the final retail versions. As for the color of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, it appears to have a silver, although in one image there seems to be a hint of mother-of-pearl-like coloring on the back surface. This could be attributed to lighting conditions. I am genuinely intrigued to know if Samsung is experimenting with design elements. As someone who appreciates watches, I particularly admire mother-of-pearl dials, so imagine how appealing it would be to have a phone with aesthetics. The S24 series is slated for release on January 17, 2024. We will extensively cover all aspects of these phones in our upcoming videos. Stay tuned to our channel for future updates. Until then, take care. See you soon.